This is the National Homestead Monument. You live near a homestead? Okay, the light ones are homestead states, and the dark ones are non-homestead states. And these are the homestead states right here, right down the wall. McCormick was from Virginia. John Deere was from Vermont. This is McCormick's Reaper horse-drawn. Daniel Halliday patented the first American windmill in 1854. Dozens of companies soon competed. Windmills were sturdy, long-lasting. Best of all, explored a free source of power. There's the pump right there. Parts of the windmill. Vane, wheel, engine, tower, hand pump, drill, and windmill pump. The patent for barbed wire. Treadmill shot powered washing machine. Look, they got a goat. And this is a thresher. Look at the farm oil. And what is this right here? It's a washing machine here. This guy's got a bicycle. These people are living in a tent beneath the windmill. These people are living in a sod house underground. Alaska, log cabin, Florida. It's got the old fawn roof, the roof over your head. Oregon, Wisconsin, Nebraska, Montana. Look at those oxen. Montana. hard work. Nebraska. See the side house in the back? Montana. Turkey in the snow. New Mexico. Canning veggies. Nebraska. Raising hogs. Dakota, Montana, North Dakota, Nebraska. A gentle climate, mild winters, just enough rain to nourish the crops, but not a drop more. That's what the advertisements promised to homesteaders. The wintry blizzards, summer hailstorms, droughts, tornadoes that greeted settlers often came as a shock. Disaster at the hands of nature was an ever-present threat. Homesteaders learned to watch the skies anxiously. How do you clean a house made of dirt? Don't know. Look, it's the modern equipment. Steam tractor. Look how big the plow is. For many ex-slaves is a chance to own their own property. This guy's raising cabbage. Opportunity for the white man. Displacement for the red man. The land was taken from the Indians. They were shuffled to the reservations. It was a hard life indeed. Promise of paradise. Didn't quite work out that way. All hopeful, not all were successful with the trunks that they came in. And here they are, the teeming masses, with hopes for a brighter future. And look at this carriage, isn't that nice? Look at that mechanical planet system. Ring the bell. Lunch pails. So these were multi-grades. Church. Worship. Kenneth Deerdorf was the last homesteader. He filed a claim in 1986 in Alaska. The first homesteader was the man that owned this farm here, Mr. Freeman, Daniel Freeman.
Daniel Freeman was born in 1826. When he was 36 years old, he staked the first claim under the Homestead Act on a piece of land just west of Beatrice, Nebraska. He raised his family and lived on his homestead for 45 years until he passed away on December 30th, 1908. Freeman's longtime friend and colleague, General L.W. Colby, eulogized his place in history this way.
There are two interesting instances connected with the final passage of the original Homestead Bill. First, it took effect on the same day of Lincoln's Emancipation Proclamation. Second, the first settler under the Homestead Bill, which provided free homes for free men, is named Freeman. The first settler under this law was a free man, and I trust that the last of its beneficiaries in the long coming years in the future will be a free man. It was at his request and is fitting that these mortal remains should be laid to rest on the land he loved so well, beneath the trees he planted by his own hand in the early years of toil and privation. It was by such strong hands, brave hearts, and indomitable wills as his that the great American desert plains have been made to blossom like a rose.
His wife was quite a bit younger than him. He was a widow, she was a widow. Rain follows the plow. Not quite the case. Wheat, war, and weather. Whether farmers flourish or fail is often dependent on factors that beyond their control. In World War II, there was a growing demand. World War I, there was a growing demand for wheat in Europe. This coincided with plentiful rain in the American heartland. The result was prosperity for farmers. After the war, demand for wheat fell. Adequate rain did not. Homesteaders learned that success could be fleeting. Thus, the Dust Bowl. People sold their land and moved on. And thus, people who headed for California and other places for a fresh start. A pump organ, a Victorian mainstay in the parlor. You can play your own music. Success or failure. Wow, look at that little kid and the size of those gourds. Wow. certificate of success. So when you got your deed, patent deed to the land, hand patent stamp used in print, an official document.
The American dream, the development of the West, and homesteading are almost one thought in many people's minds.
I think America was really founded on a sense of independence and a fiery sense of...
This is what conquered the prairies, invented by John Deere.